You know, the wintertime always brings dry and dull hair. And right now, it's bringing dry and dull hair to my hair. So today, I'm gonna show you what I do when my hair goes through that dry and dull moment. Like now, it's dry, it has no life, and you know I love my short haircut. So I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm gonna make an avocado hair mask, and we're gonna have some fun. So why use an avocado, you may ask? Well, I'm going to tell you why. It's because, for one, this avocado, which is a fruit, by the way, is one of the most powerful fruits that you can use for your hair. It contains over 20 vitamins and minerals. And with all the minerals and vitamins inside one avocado, it can do some amazing things for your hair. So for an example, it contains folate or folic acid. And folic acid actually can help to thicken your hair. It actually helps to stop hair loss also. It also contains vitamin A. Vitamin A is an antioxidant, and as an antioxidant, it helps to nourish and protect your hair cells. It also contains vitamin E, and vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant also. And vitamin E actually can help to reduce breakage in your hair, and it also protects your hair from damage. It also contains vitamin B6. Now, vitamin B6 does a lot for the hair. One, it increases blood flow to the scalp, which helps to stimulate hair to grow. And it also stops DHT, which is the hormone that causes hair loss. It causes male and female pattern baldness. So vitamin B6 alone is amazing. It also contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is great for the body because vitamin C actually helps your body to absorb iron. And iron helps to strengthen your hair and make it strong. So just those minerals and vitamins alone is a good reason to make a mask out of avocado. So come on, let me show you how it's done. Here are all of my ingredients. I have an avocado, Manuka honey, pumpkin seed oil, and here are my items that I'm going to use to mix and mash the ingredients together. So I'm going to be using a whole avocado, and we're going to cut it down the middle. Once you cut it down the middle, you'll just dispose of the pit in the center. And what I do is I actually cut around the sides with a knife. It helps it to come out easy. And then I cut it into cubes. This is going to make it easy for you to get it out of the shell and into the bowl. Now, for short hair, you can actually use half of an avocado. For this video, I'm going to be using a whole avocado, but it really depends on your length of hair on whether you want a whole avocado or a half. And I cut it in cubes to get everything out of the shell. There's my avocado. Next, we're going to use Manuka honey, which is one of my favorites. I love Manuka honey because it is a medicinal honey. It is the highest quality honey that you can use. It seals in moisture. It strengthens your follicle. It's antimicrobial. It keeps your scalp healthy. It soothes an itchy and inflamed scalp. So if someone has psoriasis and eczema and even a lot of dandruff, this honey will help soothe and heal your scalp. And it's also very, very hydrating. So Manuka honey is good. However, if you can't get Manuka honey, honey from your local beehive or from like a Whole Foods that's raw honey would be the second best option. Next, we're going to use pumpkin seed oil. Now, pumpkin seed oil contains a high amount of zinc. It's full of vitamins. It's loaded with vitamins A, K, and E. It blocks DHT, which is the hormone that causes hair loss. It stimulates hair growth, and it has many anti-inflammatory properties. So pumpkin seed oil is great. You can use olive oil or sweet almond oil if you can't get pumpkin seed oil. Next, we're just going to mash all the ingredients together. And by the way, it was 1 tablespoon of honey, And it was actually 1 tablespoon of the pumpkin seed oil. And I just mix it and mash everything together. And if you can use a spoon, you can actually go in and use your hands if you want. Now I'm going to put it on my hair. So you guys never see me do my hair, so I figured this is a great opportunity to show you. And normally I would put on a t-shirt, but because I'm doing this video, I figured I'll keep this shirt on. So I'm going to put it on my hair. I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes. I'm going to put a cap on my hair, and I'm actually going to sit under the dryer with this, and then I'm going to style my hair. So I just finished putting the avocado mask in my hair. I rinsed it out. I washed my hair. I molded my hair, sat under the dryer, curled it, all of that. So what do you think? Do I have a good shine? Did I bring back that dull hair back to life? I think it looks better now. And so sometimes the wintry weather can make your hair dull and dry. A good avocado mask can help. But also, sometimes it's not just something that's going on externally. Your hair could be dry because of something going on internally. And I'm gonna send you some information if you wanna know more about what could be going on internally. There's gonna be a link in this video. Click the link and you'll learn more about how your health has a lot to do with the health of your hair.